Hello everybody, how are you? Welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we brought something special for you. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet handbags. One special thing about this video. In the start of this video, till 2 minutes and 50 seconds, we have added very beautiful and unique videos. After 2.5 minutes, we will start the beautiful, unique and outstanding capturing. We will start to show you the beautiful pictures for crochet handbags. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. Crochet handbag offer a range of benefits that make them a popular choice among crafters and your family. Here are some advantages we would like to discuss with you. The first and the main one is unique design. Really, if you think about crocheting, you have many friends who know crochet. Even they are hundreds. You give them a task to make something by their own hands. Really, each designer will make different design from others. No one can copy easily. Each bag can be customized to your personal style, ensuring you have something unique. Eco-friendly. Using natural fibers or recycled materials reduce environmental impact. Durability. Well-made crochet bags can be surprisingly sturdy and long-lasting. Lightweight. They often less than traditional fabric or leather bag. Breathability. The open wave allows for air circulation, reducing odors. From now, we are going to start the beautiful and unique pictures collection special for you. So enjoy our remix. Creative expression. Crafting a bag allows for artistic freedom in color and pattern choice. Skill development. Crochet improves fine motor skills and boosts creativity. Community engagement. Joining crochet groups foster friendships and shared learning experience. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Cost effective. Making your own bags can be more economical than purchasing designer items. Gift potential. Handmade bags make thoughtful and personalized gift which may your friend remember for 100 years. Fashion statement. A crochet handbag can be a trendy accessory that stands out. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique idea. So keep in touch with our channel. Thank you very much for watching.